Are you looking for the best desktop computers? In this video we will look at some of the best desktop computers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Microsoft Surface Studio 2. With 13.5 million pixels packed into a 28-inch touchscreen display, the Microsoft Surface Studio 2 offers unprecedented detailing for digital art, photography, and filmmaking. The display supports both DCI, P3 and sRGB color gamuts, and you can also connect another 4K UHD display for a multi-monitor setup. Even more, the display is mounted on a hinged base that can easily adjust to almost any angle with just one hand. The dual speakers support Dolby audio technology to produce deep, rich audio, while the front-facing camera records and streams in 1080p HD. A dual microphone array ensures that your voice can be picked up anywhere, and they also work with the Cortana virtual assistant for hands-free controls over your computer. The desktop uses a solid-state drive with up to 2 TB of storage to give you fast boot times and quick access to files. 2.
Number 2. Acer Aspire TC. The Acer Aspire TC is a budget-friendly desktop that still delivers all the power you need for a typical workday. It's powered by an Intel Core i5-9400 CPU, and 8 GB of RAM for fast access to files, and quick loading times for more memory. Expand the RAM up to 32 GB. It also features a 1 TB hard drive to give you plenty of storage for Word documents, Excel sheets, and other files. Additionally, the integrated Intel UHD 630 graphics let you record and stream video. The front of the PC tower has an South Dakota card reader to quickly transfer files from mobile devices or cameras, as well as a USB-C port for faster file transfers from the latest devices. The back of the tower has 7 USB 3.1 ports to connect to peripherals, external memory storage, and other devices. 3. Number 3. HP Envy All-in-One. The HP Envy All-in-One PC features a 32-inch display that produces stunning 4K resolution, giving you high-quality video recording and playback. The edge-to-edge glass also has an anti-reflection coating to help reduce glare and eye strain. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity built in, you can wirelessly connect peripherals and integrate the computer into your home or business network. For storage, choose from either a traditional hard disk drive or a solid-state drive up to 1 TB, with a secondary HDD up to 2 TB for additional storage. You can also choose to have either Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro installed to best suit your needs. This PC features an Intel Core i5-9400